Well, it was the talk of the town back in 2016, a documentary showing us how and why the Magic Valley became possible. This amazing work takes us back in time to Idaho's history, but now it's helping Idaho's future. Our Shirley Busico explains.
I didn't know that about the area, and I've lived here for all my life, for 30 years.
This was some of the feedback Andrew Vawser was getting from those in the Magic Valley community after watching the Conquest of the Snake documentary, a work that highlights the area's rich history.
Kind of tells the history of the area, how irrigation came to the area, the players that were involved to make it happen, just all the story that brought all that together.
Jim Paxton saw Vawser in an interview on KMVT, and after the two met each other, Paxton knew the documentary was something to be proud of.
I asked Andrew what he was going to do with the funds that were raised off the sale of the DVDs, and he said he wanted to give it back to the community. And when he said that, I said that if he would do that, Snake River Pool and Spa and the Blue Lakes Inn would be on board, and we would fund the documentary.
And so they did. The net proceeds went to support Magic Valley schools and libraries so they can fulfill what they couldn't due to lack of funding. With over 50 applicants, only 7 were chosen.
As I could see in their applications, the passion they had for them and how they were going to impact the community.
Amanda Hadfield, who is a computer technician at Buhl Public Library, says she was very happy she was chosen, and the grant went to maker supplies for the library's STEM projects.
Without them, this grant wouldn't have been possible. So I really appreciate their willingness to pursue their passions so that I can pursue my passion.
Shirley Busico, KMVT News.